Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about the HARBICH sword, which is a popular aquatic plant native to the tropical regions of South America. This hardy species is commonly found in shallow waters, swamps, and riverbanks where it thrives in nutrient-rich substrates. The plant is prized for its sword-like shaped leaves, which can create lush, vibrant landscapes in aquariums and ponds. One interesting fact about the HARBICH sword is its adaptability. This plant can grow both submerged and immersed, making it a versatile choice for various aquatic setups. When grown above water, it produces distinctive flowers that can further enhance the beauty of your garden or aquarium. HARBICH sword features long, narrow, sword-like leaves that can reach lengths of up to 24 inches and widths of about 2 inches. The leaves are typically dark green and have a smooth texture. When allowed to flower, HARBICH sword produces small, white to light pink blooms on long stalks, adding an extra layer of visual appeal to your aquatic environment. In its natural habitat, it prefers warm temperatures ranging from 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit and thrives in areas with moderate to bright light. It grows best in slightly acidic to neutral pH levels, ideally between 6.0 and 7.5. The plant can tolerate a variety of water conditions, but flourishes in nutrient-rich substrates. HARBICH sword is relatively easy to care for and makes a great choice for both beginners and experienced aquarists. It should be planted in a nutrient-rich substrate as it benefits from regular fertilization to promote healthier growth. While it can tolerate lower light levels, providing moderate to bright light will encourage optimum leaf development and flowering. Ensure that the plant is not completely submerged, as this can hinder its ability to produce flowers if you're looking for flowers. This sword plant is compatible with a wide variety of fish and invertebrates, including tetras, cichlids, and shrimp. Its tall, lush leaves provide excellent cover and hiding spots for smaller fish, promoting a healthy and balanced ecosystem. HARBICH sword also pairs well with other aquatic plants such as Java fern and Anubias to create a diverse and visually appealing tank setup. HARBICH sword is often used in aquascaping for its striking appearance and ability to improve water quality by absorbing excess nutrients. However, it can grow quite large, so regular trimming may be necessary to prevent overcrowding in smaller aquariums. Additionally, be mindful of its spread as it can propagate through runners if not monitored. That wraps up our introduction to HARBICH sword. This beautiful aquatic plant can add a stunning focal point to your aquarium or pond, enhancing both aesthetics and water quality. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences with HARBICH sword in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.